Class, good morning. As you know, we have been doing the presentation for the final exam. So today, you all have presentation on the topic of your choice for the examinations, and these marks will be added to your examinations. So first, I would like to call Ayan to please come and give the presentation on the topic of his choice in English. Please come.
Good morning, everyone. Let me first introduce myself. I, I am Ayan, and I am here to give a presentation on a chapter, A Bicycle in a Good Repair, whose writer is Jerome K. Jerome, and it has two characters. First is author, and second is his friend. One day, one day both were talking, and his friend said, "Come on, let's go for a long bicycle ride." Author agreed, and he woke up early. When author went to garden, and but his friend was half an hour late. So he talking about the day. He said that what a lovely day. At that time, his friend came and said, "What a lovely machine! How does it work?" His friend author said, "Oh, like most of them, in the morning it works very properly, and but in after lunch it it moves little stiffly, So when they were talking, his friend grabbed his front wheel, his and he wobbled it. He shook it violently. So author said, "Please don't do that. You will hurt it. You will hurting it." His friend said, "Your your front wheel is wobbling. It's wobbling. Go and bring a hammer." His author went to tool shed. Author went to his tool shed and when he came back, he saw his friend was already took out the front wheel, and he was playing with it between his legs, and the front wheel he was twiddling it between his fingers. So his author said, why you took out the why you took out the front wheel?" He said, he said to check, because it was very dangerous to ride on this. When he was checking, his author said, "Please," author said, "let me check what was the matter with it." When he was checking, he unscrewed something, and some dozens of balls were jumped over him and lying on the floor. His friend shouted, "Whoa, catch them!" When he shouted, they groveled on the path, but they found only 16. His friend kept all the balls in the cap safely. So after all, he went oh, he went to check the gear case. When he was checking the gear case, the author said, "Please, my friend has said, if anything goes wrong with your gear case, you will sell the machine and buy a new one, because a gear case is oh, a gear case is a machine is cheaper than a gear case." So his friend said, "Why only those people were said that who can't understood about a machine?" So so he said, "Nothing is easier than taking off the gear case." He took out the gear case into two pieces, and they lie on the path. They they can't understand about something. They can't understand
You couldn't.
about a mystery that we can't found we didn't found screws lying on the floor. Why? So author he went to he think let me check the check. when he was checking the chain, sometimes he tightened the chain too much, and sometimes he loosened the chain twice. Oh, twice. And he think, first let me front wheel back. Put the front wheel back. So when he was putting the front wheel back, he said, oh, he saw, wow, I am good. He laughed loudly and say, I am an ass. The author said, why you are saying whole day, on a whole day you say only one thing correct. Only one thing correct. Whoa. Please tell me what was going wrong. His friend said, I whoa, we have forgotten about the balls. His friend, when he went to took the balls, he saw the cap was upside down on the floor because of because of lovely day. So wind is going on. So cap was upside down. So the all balls were lying on the floor, lying on the path. He took out, he took up the balls, but he found only 11. So he screwed six front wheel and five on the back wheel. When he put it so he checked the book. When he was checking the cycle, author said, now the child will say, I don't know the front wheel. I know the front wheel is not wobbling at the beginning, but at this time front wheel is wobbling, and at a child will also say the front wheel is wobbling. When he said, the, his friend said that it was wobbling for some time. After that, it was when it works, it moves to its bed place. When he went to the other part, he he was trying to put the gear case back. He he put it the cycle he beside the cycle
Never don't call
on
me,
the
please.
he beside the cycle on the house wall and offside of when sometimes he offside checking and sometimes he onside and sometimes he he slept on the wall. He slept on the path and he slept on the path and his head was between the wheels. He he was he his clothes were very dirty. His head was oh, oh, oil dropped on his head, and his hand was cutting and bleeding. So the handle, the bicycle's handle were slipped on his head. So he disappointed and he bullying the cycle. So let the so at that time this fight began. A bicycle and a man fight began. When they were fighting, sometimes a man on the bicycle and bicycle on the path, rolled on the path. Sometimes it other result. Some bicycle on the man, and man was on the path, and man was on the path. So author came and said, don't do it. When he was going, his friends, author said, you went to the room. When he was washing his hands to remove the oil particles, and bleeding, author said, you go to their house. Thank you, sir.
Very nice. Very good. I thank you so much.